video this video is not for you. So you can leave this video at this point and you can go continue with your own stuff. This is just me sharing my updates as a digital diary so that I can stay accountable for my task. And if anyone else relates to this thing, they are more than welcome to stay and listen. So, last update I wasn't able to share because last I posted was day two. Day three, I didn't post anything. I tried to, but I couldn't. So, this video is the combination of both the updates from day three and day four. Last, what I said was I was going to run. I was going for a run, running 4K. Then I actually did that. I actually ran 4K. And I came home. I am not able to recall exactly. This is a major problem. That is another reason why I've started this series so that I can recall. My memory becomes better because I am not even able to recall what I did yesterday or the day before yesterday. Time is just flying. एंड जो एक सवाल अपना रहता था ना कि बचपन में ऐसा क्यों लगता था हमें कि टाइम स्लो जा रहा है ना अभी ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि टाइम बहुत तेज जा रहा है क्योंकि तुम्हें याद ही नहीं रह रही मेरे दोस्त आधी चीजें यू यू आर जस्ट वर्किंग ऑन एन ऑटो पायलट तुमने काफी चीजें सीख ली है नाउ यू आर लाइक कि ठीक है भाई निकल रहा है टाइम कट रहा है क्योंकि एवरी डे इज सेम सो उसी को थोड़ा सा कह लो चेंज करने के लिए मेमोरी को बेटर करने के लिए आई हैव आल्सो स्टार्टेड ये मतलब तीन चार रीजंस थे सो I ran 4K. I came back and I don't recall exactly what I did, but I think I went to sleep. Then I woke up when I woke up the next day. मतलब I woke up late first thing because I had that in my mind कि मुझे सुबह भागने जाना है नहीं आराम से उठते हैं एंड अब आराम से उठे तो भाई 10-11 बज गए फिर जस्ट खाना खाया खाना खाते हुए अब वही है एस्पिरेंट सीरीज आ रखी थी आई वांटेड टू सी इट्स फाइनल थर्ड सीजन वो देखा देन वही फोन चलाया एक आध रील बना के मैंने दरा दड़ावा पे डाली है एक आध रील बना के मैंने अपने मेन अकाउंट पे डाली है एंड डिड दैट जेजेके का सीजन देखा फाइनल वो कंप्लीट कर दिया मतलब टाइम पास किया है भाई कुल मिला के टाइम पास हुआ है एक वीडियो एडिट कर दी जो अपना 6 का काउंटर चल रहा था ना वो 6 पे ही अटका हुआ है दोस्त क्यों क्योंकि मैं डे 10 तक पहुंच चुका हूँ जर्नी के 45 में से 10 डेज हो चुके हैं अब उन 10 दिनों में से 3-4 दिन रेस्ट के हटा दो तो 6 दिन अराउंड बचते हैं अब पहले 6 थे अब उसमें से दो एडिट हो गई बट दो और ऐड हो गए तो वो 6 का 6 ही रह रहा है मोर और लेस तो काइंड ऑफ अब मेरे को ऐसा है कि ठीक है अब वीडियो एडिट करके डालनी है बट नाउ आई हैव द ग्रास्प कि ठीक है मैंने एक प्रीसेट बना लिया है टेक्स्ट आई कैन यूज अगेन एंड अगेन इन डाविंची आई कैन यूज द सेम कलर ग्रेडिंग अगेन एंड अगेन सो अब इट हैज बिकम अ लिटिल इजियर ठीक है दिस वाज फॉर डे 3 देन डे 4 वही ये वाला सब करा एंड अब आई डोंट नो कि डे 3 है कि डे डे 3 पे हाँ डे 3 पे आई डिड नॉट डू एनीथिंग जो मेरे चैलेंज के अकॉर्डिंग डे 9 है एंड डे 4 विच वाज कि आज क्या किया पर आज मैं ये डे 5 पे पोस्ट कर रहा हूँ एक्चुअली अगर तुम टाइम देखोगे तो 4 तारीख है बट आज पांचवा दिन है तो ये 3 तारीख का अपडेट है जो मैं शेयर कर रहा हूँ तो 3 तारीख को वही उठे लेट उठे देन खाना खाने गए वापस आए थोड़ा बहुत सामान खरीद के दोपहर में देन क्या किया आई आई वांटेड टू डू समथिंग बट सो गए अब सो के उठे शाम को 6-7 बजे फिर बैठे कि चलो कुछ वीडियो बनाएंगे बनाई वीडियो बनाने का टाइमर सेट किया था कि 20 मिनट में वीडियो बना देंगे बट वो 20 मिनट लगे नहीं वो ज़्यादा लग गए 20 मिनट से एक्सटेंड होते होते 1 घंटा लग गया एक वीडियो को एडिट करने में फिर वो वीडियो पोस्ट करी देन एक वीडियो और पोस्ट करी विच गॉट good number of views which got like 10K 20K and it is going so but that was totally edited on phone और जो दूसरी DaVinci पे एडिट करके डाली उस पे it's not getting views and I expected it ठीक है I understand now I can understand why something is getting more views something is getting less views now I've started to understand those things so this was what I did then the main part of the day like the most happening part you could say I went for a run at 9 today I did 5K. We finally did. We reached 5K at a decent 8 pace, and it was damn difficult. And one thing I also observed was around 4.4 kilometer I experienced runner's high, which they all say ki bhai you feel like you have taken drugs. So I experienced that. It was so amazing. Like I was able to see all my loved ones cheering me along the way. Like ऐसे अगर रास्ता है तो I could see कि मेरे जो भी क्लोज फ्रेंड्स हैं एक एक करके दे आर चीयरिंग कि दर्रा लेट्स गो राज राज। मेरे जो जूनियर्स हैं मुझे बॉस बोलते हैं तो बॉस बॉस लेट्स गो। आई वाज cheering for myself दर्रा it was amazing. It was legit, it was amazing. So yeah, before run I took coffee salt and water का एक गंदा सा मिक्सचर बनता है. It is so that your uh, electrolytes stay balanced in the body क्योंकि बहुत sweating होती है भागते टाइम. And I ate shit. Did not do proper dinner today also. I need to do something for my dinner. It's getting very weird, and I shouldn't be eating this kind of food. So after running, I directly went to meet Kaushal. He wanted to meet. He's my junior. A great guy, amazing guy. He's also trying to build stuff. Was really confused. Wanted to talk. कि boss आप बता दो क्या करना है ये वो. बात करी मैं. I also felt good. He also felt good. So talked to him for like I was with him till like 12:30 in Namo. We were sitting at Namo eating, had chai, and he had brought some stuff from the home like matri cake cookie. Then yeah, that was pretty much it. I came home and अभी तक का update ये I came home. I did some random time waste. Then वही phone चलाया. Then ढाई तीन बज गए. I don't know भाई इतनी जल्दी टाइम कैसे निकल रहा है. I am not able to grasp it's 5 a.m. now. It is so weird that time is passing so damn fast right now. Yeah, but I actually got on a call with Garvit and Rachit. Finally, उनसे इतने टाइम से बात नहीं हुई थी. Talked with them, felt really good. वही सब हिग्स फील्ड एआई करना है, ये करना है, वो करना है, ऐसे रिलेटेड बात. Yeah, it was amazing. हाँ, and I also found a guy on Instagram randomly today only. उससे भी बात करी. He's working towards creating AI ads and creating his own AI influencer, which is the next big thing, I believe. So he's doing really great. I gave some suggestions to him also. Let's see if we can hope to do something together in the future also. It could be great, I think. So yeah, that was pretty much it. So what is my plan for today? Like day 5. Just I don't know if I'll wake up or sleep. Now I'm not really sure. Then I have to make a poster, something for like this weekend run because I want to plan a weekend run on Sunday for Junoon Run Club. So yeah, I'll plan a run today and have to post out a poster so that people can start coming and will like things can start going slowly. So that is something we are looking at right now, and yeah, so that and so I have to plan out something. Ki what kind of video I have to post? Should it be like a founder video or something? And a poster so that we can start reaching out to more people using Instagram and LinkedIn. And then what? Then I have to edit these 5 6 videos that I have, but now I think I can edit them pretty fast, so that is not big of a deal. But yeah, I have to edit. Then the next thing which I have to do is this thing. I'll write in description the tasks I have still have pending and want to do. Mainly is content research, content planning for the startup also. Jisme I will be working on. And also content planning and making a few videos for myself for this running thing. So yeah, That is that. We'll see you in day 5. Take care.